On last week's episode, I showed off a great companion app to play music called MusicMate that actually pulls music from the cloud and makes it available to any music player app on your device. The app I used to demonstrate that awesomeness is a material designed to influence a music player that hasn't seen much spotlight as of yet, so let's shine a light on it now. It's called Pulsar Music Player, and it's only been available for a few months now, but it's off, I think, to a terrific start. First, I love how the colors of the interface in this album's view actually mimics the dominant colors inside of the album artwork. It kind of varies things while keeping it all cohesive to the music that it's tied to. The artist's view shows a nice image for each artist as opposed to, another duplicate view of the album artwork. I think that's a really nice touch. Any folder on your device that happens to have music media in it is then accessible in this folders section. There's also genre browsing, and finally, a songs list of all the tracks on your device with a system-wide random playback button floating down there in the corner. I'll go ahead and tap that to kick off a playlist, and the controls are now shown at the bottom, minimized but actionable. Tap that to bring it to full screen. And as you can see, things swoop and animate in a tasteful and I think pretty effective way here. All the standard controls are there as expected, and that floating action button shows the full playlist in effect at the moment. And this part is pretty cool, I think. Tap the overflow menu button at the top, and you can set a particular track to be your alarm, your notification, or your ringtone. Very easy. Swiping on the artwork in either direction also acts as a track skip. Things are snappy thanks to the small file size footprint of Pulsar Music Player. It's very small. There's also a sleep timer on board, playlist capability once it's activated. Make sure and do that in the settings, and gapless playback capability. And that's all part of the free version. You can upgrade to the pro version, and you'll then have access to a number of audio features as well. There's things like a 5-band equalizer for carving the best sound out of your music, along with some presets to get you started. Some audio effects like reverb and bass boost. And finally, 15 total themes for customizing and coloring the UI. Find Pulsar Music Player for free with the pro version for $2.99 in the Play Store now.